Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel DN Art. So today I'm making these Christmas ornaments, and to start off with I am using these molds. So I have selected a number of different molds for making these ornaments because I really don't want to go with the basic theme. So this is my way of working. So I'm using Casting Craft white and this gold shimmer, and I will be using this glitter as well. It's from Hobbycraft, and I have mixed my glitter into the resin, and slowly I will be pouring this glitter first. So adding glitter into the snowflake. It has been quite chilly in UK, as you all have been known that we got into minus temperature. So it was after a long time, and I was not making any more videos because of that cold weather. Didn't like to work, and also my resin was taking so long to cure, so I was very slow. But now you will get amazing videos, I promise. So here I'm adding the glitter. And by the way, this mold came all the way from Ukraine, and I love this stag. It's my favorite. You have probably seen this mold all over Instagram, and it's been years I wanted to get this mold, but there was no way. It was available in England, but I will link a shop down in description where I bought this mold from, and she was so kind to work with. But I'm really excited to uh, make the ornament in this mold. It was so beautiful, and plus you can see how beautiful this mold is. So I have filled the antlers, the leg with the glitter. So with the toothpick, I am not touching my mold, but make sure that the resin has reached all the corners because these antlers are very delicate. So I don't want that any air bubble trapped inside there. So I am very carefully just cleaning up the corners, making sure there are no air bubbles in there. And again, doing the same for the snowflake as well. It's best to use a low viscosity resin for this project because there is less chances of getting air bubbles here. I am using a medium viscosity here, so that's why I am doing these tricks just to make sure I got no bubbles. So now I'm pouring a clear resin into the middle. Sometimes you're doing a project, it might happen with you all that you already know that it will be going out to be amazing, and this was the case in this project. I was really excited beforehand, even it was not made. So now I have mixed white pigment into the resin, and I will be adding the white resin, just drops into the center. So these are really simple drops, that's it. And I'm adding some lines in the snowflake. So now the drops into the socks. So it took me some time to add these, but I really wanted to make sure that I do this as neatly as possible. So after adding my drops, I wanted to add some more magic to these ornaments. So I'm adding this gold foil. It's a bit on the antique side, not pure gold. So with the help of a toothpick, I will be just adding some foil here and there. So sometimes these tiny details do matter a lot in the final end result. And here I'm making a bit of this swirl in the snowflake. So this take a little extra effort, but trust me, you will get one of a kind result. So now I will let it cure for next day. So this is the next day and I am super excited. Let's demold. So I'm demolding this heart first. So I will be demolding all of these first and then I will show you the results. So these snowflakes are always a bit on the difficult side to demold. I do get a lot of suggestions for using a soapy water, but I try that thing really at the end when it's impossible to demold, because I think when you are using water and soap, it do take away the shine. So I'm trying myself first. So with patience, I know I will demold it. So here we go, it's been demolded now. And this is how it turned out. And let's go with my favorite one here. Just making sure my space is clean now because we are demolding this amazing stag. So my resin was still on the soft side. So I am just doing it carefully because I don't want to rip it. So it's out of the mold and here is the mold. So now let's see how they turned out. So this is the heart. I really love the shape of this heart. It's always beautiful. And this is how the socks turn out. And it's again, I love how the dots came in the center and made a flower. And this is the snowflake. And the star of the show. Just they are so elegant. I really love the design of this antler. Super beautiful. So now it's the time to make some holes for adding ribbons. So I'm drilling it. So I know there are some stopper for the snowflake, but there was none in my package. So I had to drill. So now I'm adding ribbons. So this is again up to you what color you like to add, how the style you want it. So this is my style, how I am doing it. So this is a new ribbon that I bought. So it's been long. I haven't shared any whole video with you, but it's long due. Anyway, I am adding this extra touch of handmade ribbon onto these snowflakes with the glue. I'm just putting a bit of glue on the top, adding the ribbon, and now just little pulls to finish it up. Again, as I said, little details do matter. So let's see how they turned out. And this is the final result. And I really love them. I always say that, but I do. And I hope you like them as well. And if you did, please do let me know in comments. And always your comments are appreciated. I do read them and I try to reply as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And thumbs up if you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so. Again, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.